guys, it's August 3rd, 2018. This one here, I gotta go change a thermostat on a big water heater. Well, it's like a storage tank. It's a weil mclain storage tank. It's a 75-gallon big unit for a house. And the thermostat's, making the boiler call continuously. So I picked up the thermostat. I have it. I have the thermostat in the truck, and I gotta go over there and try to pull it out. Kind of an odd unit, more like a commercial unit type of thing, but hopefully I can get the thermostat probe out of the dry well on the top of the unit. We'll see when I get there. I did tug on it when I was there the other day, and it didn't seem to want to come out, so I don't know what I'm going to have to do with that. This house has got kind of a strange story. I guess the husband had died. He was an older guy, and he did all kinds of crazy stuff over here, all kind of guinea rigs, and beautiful home, but he was just one of those guys that, whatever, he just kind of did everything half-ass as far as putting stuff together. There's a lot of things in this house that need to be fixed, and a lot of things that are odd over here. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots changing the thermostat out. Let's see, zone 6 is calling. That's this thermostat right here, and I got it turned down all the way. That's the white one that goes in there. I disconnect it here. It shuts the boiler down. See, zone 6 is shut off now, so that thermostat's bad. I gotta change that. Change that thermostat. It's a big unit, man. I got the thermostat right here. Let's see if we can change it. Oh yeah, there it comes out. Let's see. There's the thermostat probe. Come right out. That's fine. It's a little crusty up there, but so this is it. We're gonna change. It might be the white one or the black one. I'm not sure. I think that's the black one. It's that's the thermostat's the black one. There it is. Well, this one must be for this temperature probe, but that's what we gotta change. Let me take it apart. I did have it off the other day.
Hello?
Yes.
Hi, how you doing?
All right.
Seeing your baby out in the car. I said, what are you doing?
Oh, she's barking
What
at
a
you?
cutie. Hey, why not? Oh, okay. So anyway, yeah, I couldn't believe when I went in there last night because I had the guys, the backhoe was so the guy was buying stuff. And I says, oh my God, this thing is on. It scared the hell out of me. I says, I don't want carbon monoxide or whatever. I know I got alarms, but, I'm trying to get this place straightened out and cleaned up. That's all I know.
Right.
Yeah, it's getting there, don't you think? Cars being moved.
You got some work to do. That's for sure.
Oh my God. Yeah, I do. It's gonna take me a month of Sundays,
So was Donald here? I see all these
Yes,
wires
he was.
disconnected.
He cut that off. That's gone. He said at some point you could cut that off and cap it there, I think, or whatever went to that and get rid of. We can get rid of that. That's what he said, but I didn't understand. He said get rid of that, and he says
I
that's.
got to shut off at the ball valve.
Yeah, that's what I told him.
He disconnected the wires.
Yep, he cut them all. I just threw the wires out.
There's no drain on it. He didn't even have a drain on it. I don't know.
No, so.
That was something your husband did, huh?
Yeah, that's what I said. I tell you, when the plumber says the rinky dink, I said, or guinea rigged, my father used to say that. We were from New York, and we always said everything was guinea rigged. So when you said that, I was like having flashbacks. I said to my sister, I said, somebody talks like my father. I said, I can't. But actually, I'm going to get rid of this carpet today. But I mean, you know, I have a lot of things. But I'll get it done. I'll get it done. This thing is still warm, but it's not hot. Not
Oh,
like
we're gonna change it out. We'll fix it up. for
Good,
you.
thank
Don't
you.
worry.
I appreciate it. If you need a water, ice cold water, let me know or something. Or if the dog needs water, I have filtered water. I don't give my dogs well water because it's bad for anybody. You know.
You think so?
Oh, well, because Dennis was a kidney patient. It says the minerals can hurt your kidneys.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so I give them filtered water on a good day.
Your dogs.
Yeah, they're spoiled. I'll admit it.
All right, this one's got a ground on it. This one don't have it, so
Yeah.
we'll try it. Hopefully this works for you.
What's this? That's the new thermostat.
Yeah, the new thermostat. That shit.
What should hot water be at?
140.
Oh, that's not bad then.
Yeah.
That's good.
140, not no 190. I mean, that
Oh.
was crazy.
Oh.
Well, it was
bad.
running continuously. It wasn't shutting off. So.
No, it wasn't. It's not doing it now. I'll tell you that.
Well, I got it off right now,
Yeah.
but we'll see if we get this thing to work for
You
you.
showed me the red light. I knew what Don was talking about. So,
Lights are on, but no one's home.
yeah, in this place, it's a good day. That's exactly right. No one's home. Oh. I saw your truck on Mill Street the other day. I was going to get onto Route 6. As there he is, he's working. Oh my God, I tell you.
Unbelievable, huh?
Yeah, oh, it doesn't stop. You know, I've had nothing but aggravation all week with that building with air conditioning that I've had it. Yesterday, it accumulated that I wanted to choke somebody over there. But what am I going to do? You got state workers, and the guy went and he put Freon, which I asked him about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
He put Freon on, and the worker said, there's a chemical smell. There's a chemical smell. And I said, yeah, there is. And I said to the...
It shouldn't be a chemical smell.
There isn't a chemical. It's just her. She did that last year. There's no chemical smell. See, if the temperature is too hot, they're allowed to go home. They call Boston, they yell at you. If it's too cold or whatever. If they smell something, they got to go home. So it was a nice day yesterday. I think they all wanted to go home.
Oh, is that what it was?
I think so. They're
What
just... It's only them. And so the guy that manages the building says, I have a headache today. I said, I guess you do. You know, I said, there's nothing, I'm just hoping today that everything's going smooth. It's Friday, leave me alone until Monday. It's been a whole month of hell with that office.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. And did you know that you got to do the carpets? I said, of course I do. I read the lease. I know the lease. I'm not stupid.
You do carpets?
Huh?
You do carpets too?
Well, it's not new carpets, it's original, but every year we have to maintain them.
Oh yeah, clean them and whatnot.
Yeah, but they have to tell us when because you can't get into those offices. They don't allow you in because it's a state office.
Oh, it's a state
Yeah,
office.
so we have to do it on a Saturday when everything's locked up.
Why don't you sell that place and just
I'm working on it.
Move the hell out of there.
Yeah, I am. It's too much for me. I mean, I do it. I've been doing it, but just nitpicking this week. This whole month has been... Even
Yeah, you
DG
better-
Services said, what is wrong, Mary? I said, I don't know. I don't know. They're just being sticklers.
Yeah, just sell it and get out of it.
Exactly. Exactly. Unbelievable. But... I don't know.
Yeah, so I talked to Donald on the phone. I told him that what was going on here
Yeah.
with the thermostat. So obviously he disconnected it, that heater in the garage. I mean, that thing had...
But it's running. I said, whoa.
Well, it ain't running now because
Did you do something?
he disconnected the thermostat.
Yeah, but it's running cool air in there. Like, you can hear it, the fan's on. Let me see if it's on again. Let me see. Because I went in there last night to shut the garage, and, yeah, it's running.
Yeah, we'll look at that.
All right, thank you. I'm going to open up that garage because I don't like the air. Got nowhere to go. You're a fireman. And I'm afraid of electrical. I'm afraid of everything. Pick a subject. So, and I don't want like carbon monoxide. That's another one. You don't smell it.
Well,
Yeah, so I'm down to a quarter tank. I can live on a quarter tank until Next month. And then have to fill it. I don't know what oil's going for right now, but I'm sure it's up.
Oh,
You have oil or gas?
I got gas.
Oh, you're lucky.
That thing's way down in there.
Huh?
That thing's way down in there.
Yeah.
But I was lucky to be able to get that probe out of there.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it hard getting the part? Not hard, right? Or
No, they had it. I mean,
good.
I just had a... Ooh.
It's a good thing I heard it. You know, even if he was alive, I'd say, what is running down there? Somebody give me a clue. You know?
Right.
But I'm learning something every day. Every day over here, so...
Alright, that should be in there enough for the thermostat. Well, we'll see if it works now. I mean...
I'm sure.
I don't know why he put this. This is like a small commercial unit. I don't know why he...
Is it? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, everything with him was business, I guess. You know, I don't know.
Alright, we're plugged in there.
I can hear the brats running around. I don't see the red light.
Alright, so it's off.
Yeah.
You know, when we turn this up, it should come on. Yeah, heard it?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, right?
Wow, so it's working, yeah?
Alright, so it is working. And we'll turn this down to a normal setting,
Yeah, put it on
which
normal.
is factory setting, which is right there, right? And
Yeah,
it's
so
off.
the light's off, and they'll go on when it comes to thermostat.
Well, what's going to happen is when this tank cools down, the thermostat will say, all right, we need to heat up again, and it'll turn the boiler on and heat the water up.
Okay, good.
What was happening before, the thing wasn't shutting off, it was running continuously.
Yeah.
No good.
No, not at all. No, it was up to, oh my God, I saw it, you know? Who's in here? I don't know what to do.
There's no switch on it or nothing. Look, he's got wiring everywhere. Got a zone valve.
And I don't
See?
understand it. And I thought Don shut it off, but it's
Well,
going
he did.
on.
He disconnected the thermostat wire is what he did, but for some reason, it's working. Weird.
No, it is.
And it's blowing cold air.
Yes.
So you're gonna have to have him. He's coming back anyway. He's gonna have to. We're gonna redo all this thing. I mean, it's a flipping mess. Look, it doesn't
Yeah.
even have a switch on the thing.
No, and that's what I'm saying. How does he shut it off? He's gonna have to disconnect something, right?
Well, that's all kinds of. Well, there should be a switch where you could shut it off. I mean,
I would think.
what happens is when it heats up, there's a sensor right there. When that sensor gets to a certain temperature, it turns the fan on. So unless that temperature's really low, let me see.
It's the first time it's done this. I mean, but I
Well,
don't.
he's got the temperature too low on the setting here.
So what do? Put it up high? Good.
Yeah, I'm turning it up. I'm turning it up higher. So what's happening is, it's been hot here. So we had the temperature set at 75, so the fan was coming on.
Oh, okay.
So we'll put that at probably about 180, 190, and then the fan won't come on.
Okay, good. All right. That's.
I mean, talk about see, this is the type of stuff that he did. I mean,
Yeah. And I don't know why. I'm assuming because he was down here working. He
well,
had something.
he needed heat. He needed heat come the
did.
wintertime.
Yeah. In the old garage, when he was, we cleaned everything. We cleaned a lot of stuff out.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Off.
All right, so we left the tag here. I mean, the thing's a little crusty looking, but
That's that water. That's the
well,
minerals.
whatever. We got a new thermostat in there, and
That's all that counts.
at least it's not burning all kinds of oil anymore.
No.
Do what you can here,
Hey, I appreciate it. Are you kidding me? Anything broken? I don't know. Okay.
All right, so at least it's not calling for hot water continuously anymore.
No, not at
Thank
all.
God. I mean, you were going through oil like crazy, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we had that filled, and I noticed it. And I said to my sister that I could hear that running in my front room.
Yeah.
I could hear it. And
Yeah,
I said,
two
something's
230s.
wrong. That's why I called you. I said,
330s.
something's wrong.
Yeah.
And that's when Don came.
Guys, that lady had a garden. She got all kinds of stuff. Eggplant, and cucumbers, and basil, and tomatoes, and cucumbers, all kinds of stuff. I mean, I'll give all this to, I'll either eat it myself or give it to the chickens. Oh yeah, next level. Basil. Oh yeah. Fresh from the garden. You want a tomato? Oh, I know you do. Oh, I know you do.